In today's video, we're going to be detailing the Ford Fiesta, the vandalized Ford Fiesta. We're going to go over the car. If you have a look at but there is still a lot left on the paint. Paint is clean now. After that compound, right? It's this is exactly what I want my car to be looking like, shining. Okay, so let's have a look at the paint. So this is the front of the bonnet. As you can see, guys, bonnet is literally got scratches all over it, and the color itself, this car is meant to be in shadow black. As you can see, the color is obviously faded out. We're looking at the bumper here. Let me zoom into the bumper. You can see still got loads of excess paint on the bumper. As you can see, oh god. You can see me like perfectly clear in the paint, which I'm really happy about that. If you guys remember when I was showing you this part of the car, this was my biggest pet peeve because there was literally paint all down here and in the seals. To get the paint out of the rubber seals, incredibly difficult, took forever, but I'm really happy with obviously how everything is turned out on the car.